The following Diva contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring from Chulota, Florida, Alundra Blaze.
This place is deafening. Listen to it.
If this one doesn't end up on a highlight reel somewhere, I'll be incredibly surprised.
And approaching the ring from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, Trish Stratus.
Oh, the lovely Trish Stratus is coming down the aisle. You know, she told me earlier today that she will not stop until she is the absolute best diva this industry has ever seen. And there's the bell. Oh, this is going to be good.
It's matches like this one that make Divas matches can't miss television. And now here's Trish Stratus working for control. The beautiful Trish has truly become a diva legend, King.
Well, luckily the body hasn't absorbed too much of an attack up to this point.
If there's one place you don't want to get pummeled, it's your face.
No kidding. Whew, that's hurting me. Oh, out of nowhere.
Into the collar and elbow tie-up. Only one competitor comes out ahead here.
Yeah, this is one of the classic ways to test your opponent.
You know, a lot of fans recognize Alundra Blaze for her now infamous debut on WCW Monday Nitro, but there really is so much more to Alundra Blaze.
That's the truth, Michael. Since getting her start in the AWA, Blaze has literally done it all in the sports entertainment world, including capturing the men's Cruiserweight Championship when she beat Evan Courageous in 1999.
Oh, when she gets going like this, there's almost no stopping her.
Yep, there's the reversal by Alundra Blaze.
A beautiful move there.
Taken down with a Hurricane Rana. That scissor grab has got to hurt.
That's hurting me just watching it, and it's not even applied to me. And it's Trish Stratus executing the reversal. Ouch. Alundra Blaze is down.
Fires out. In addition to holding her own with the men, let's not forget that many credit Alundra Blaze for the revival of the WWE's women's division back in the early and mid-1990s. Looking to be in great shape here. It doesn't appear as though any damage has been done.
Not today, too fast.
And once again, we see a return to the specific maneuver. Hey, whatever works.
Yeah, if it keeps working, keeps working.
And that's a shot that could drop a Grizzly.
Now that's the type of move that sends a message to an opponent.
Yeah, and that's a message you don't want to receive. Man, after listening to you two run down Alundra Blaze's accolades, it's no wonder she's a Hall of Famer. That arm is now in an extremely compromising position. Oh, man, this has got to...
And there's the release. What's going to happen now?
I'm scared to ask.
There's not a lot of cushion for your face. As you can see, everything hurts.
Hey, the shoulders are down.
And she raises her shoulder to interrupt the referee's count.
She sure did. There may be no stopping Trish tonight.
Trish Stratus gets out of that one. Nice move.
Beautiful. And the move wasn't bad either. For as good as Alundra Blaze is, I have to tell you that I have a hard time trusting her. Loyally, sir.
And into the cover. And she kicks out.
Man, she's not just beautiful, she's tough, too.
And that's a missed opportunity to put Alundra Blaze away.
Yeah, that could come back to haunt you later.
And it's all Alundra Blaze now.
Blaze has things going her way.
Thinking to avoid that. I think she's trying to prove a point here. Of course, what King was referring to earlier was Alundra Blaze abandoning WWE toward the start of the Monday Night War and joining WCW.
It might have looked like a good move at the time, but in retrospect, I'm willing to bet Alundra Blaze would tell you she should have stayed with the winner.
Trish Stratus, what a crafty maneuver.
Going for the cover. And she raises her shoulder to interrupt the referee's count.
She sure did.
Man, I thought Alundra Blaze was out.
Oh, she's down, but she's not out. Look at this. Trish Stratus doing some good work here. Uh-oh. Big move coming.
Trish.
Oh, that's going to put an end to this one.
Oh, man, there's the finisher.
The shoulders are down.
And she kicks out.
Man, she's not just beautiful, she's tough, too.
Wow, what does it take to keep Alundra Blaze down?
This young lady may be unbeatable. Alundra Blaze's style is so intense inside that ring. It's almost as if she runs her competition over like a monster truck.
Alundra Blaze gets out of that one. Nice move.
Yeah, this Alundra is impressive.
Going for the big one. That's it. It's over. It's over.
Hey, the shoulders are down.
And she raises her shoulder to interrupt the referee's count.
She sure did. Wow, what a woman.
We're seeing two outstanding athletes looking to prove their dominance in there, but only one can walk out victorious. Who will it be? Alundra Blaze is undoubtedly physical, but she's also extremely sound technically. You need to look no further than her wide array of suplexes.
Man, what about her kicks, Cole? Once she starts getting those long legs of hers, forget it. You just know it's the beginning of the end.
That can't be enough, can it?
I don't.
And she kicks out.
Man, she's not just beautiful, she's tough, too.
Man, I thought Alundra Blaze was out.
Oh, she's down, but she's not out. She's hooked.
She's starting to get on a roll.
Oh, this could be exciting. Can she do it? This may be it.
And she raises her shoulder to interrupt the referee's count.
She sure did. Oh, there may be no stopping Trish tonight.
Trish Stratus appears to be in phenomenal shape here tonight, King.
As always, Cole, few divas take as good care of their bodies as Trish Stratus. In fact, just earlier today, she was telling me about her nutrition and fitness regimen. Let's just say you wouldn't last a week, Michael.
Let's just hope Trish Stratus' stamina can hold up.
Yep, there's the reversal by Alundra Blaze.
A beautiful move there. And that shot was dialed in. Whoa! Don't get up. Alundra Blaze is in position.
She can win this, King. In addition to being in great shape, Trish Stratus is also extremely smart, both in and out of the ring. this Diva's way. Remember, momentum in WWE can turn on a dime
and leave you some change.
Great one-on-one action here tonight. It doesn't get much better than this.
Hey, what a move! Even if you can get back to your feet after a move like that, at this stage of the match, you're still struggling to find your balance.
Michael, you mentioned Tricia Smarts earlier, but I don't...
And into the cover. And the shoulders up now. That's a kick out.
Nice. What an amazing display of resiliency.
This is going to leave scars, Alundra Blaze.
No kidding. She's in terrible shape. And there's the reversal. Alundra Blaze gets out of the way of that one.
Just a dominating display.
Yeah, I think we could see a lot of punishment inflicted here. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
This could do it.
Maybe it's 1, 2, 3.
It's over. It's all over.
Oh, boy, that was a spectacular performance. We may be looking at the match of the year. You want to talk about crowd pleasing? That match was incredible.
Here's your winner, Trish Stratus.
That's a win you remember for a long time. Tough loss there for Alundra Blaze.
No kidding. I hope Alundra doesn't let it get her down, though.
And thank you, everybody, for tuning in for this incredible Diva match.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring. From Charlotte, North Carolina, weighing 243 pounds, the Nature Boy, Ric Flair.
Well, this superstar has all the tools needed to win this one. Now let's see if he can put them together. This is what it's all about. Two competitors going head-to-head to decide which one is truly the best.
And approaching the ring, from Sarasota, Florida, weighing 237 pounds, Macho Man Randy Savage.
You know, sometimes a superstar just has that look in his eye. And this is one of those times. This guy's a stud. I don't see many losses in his future. And there's the bell.
This one-on-one battle is underway, and you can cut the tension with a knife. Many pundits still believe there's no better way to settle a score than two people getting in that ring and fighting.
And here's the lockup. Look at these two jockeying for position.
Trust me, Michael, there's nothing routine about this. The sooner you can get an advantage over your opponent, the better. If I'm in the ring with Ric Flair right now, I'm looking out for that chop block. Once that comes, you just know the figure four isn't very far behind.
Checking out Ric Flair. What can you tell us right now?
Definitely looking good so far. Hasn't taken too much punishment up to this point.
Going toe-to-toe here. Into the tie-up they go, but who's going to end up with the upper hand?
Well, I think it's too difficult to tell, even from this angle.
And the tie-up, make no mistake about it, this is all about skill, determination, and power.
And we're watching human gridlock here. No one will budge.
The collar and elbow tie-up in a battle for control here.
Yeah, and Michael, it's so important to come out of this on top because you can do so many things to your opponent from this position.
You brought it up earlier, King. The figure four. It undoubtedly has to be considered one of the most iconic finishing moves in sports entertainment history.
Yeah, and the iconic part is that if you're keeping score, I'm willing to bet Ric Flair has been beaten by the figure four just as many times as he's won with it.
It won't take long for the aggression to escalate quickly in this one.
You're right, Cole. These two don't like each other, and we're going to find out how much they really do dislike each other in this match. Oh, once you get out of the ring, anything can happen. You've got exposed steel, concrete, the barricades, and all of it can be used to cause massive damage. Nice, well-placed kick to the ribs. Well, the trick sometimes when you get outside the ring is survival. The match becomes almost secondary when you get near all these dangerous objects. Oh, Randy Savage has a wide arsenal of moves to pull from. But among the most dangerous is the double axe handle off the top ropes.
You can bet every superstar on the roster is crowded around the monitors in the back to see which one of these guys comes out victorious.
Not today, too fast.
He may be trying trying to systematically chop his opponent down, starting at the bottom.
Oh, once you get out of the ring, anything can happen. You've got exposed steel, concrete, the barricades, and all of it can be used to cause massive damage.